活用空中美语听力测验 A 卷
This is the Version A Weekly Quiz Listening Test.
English for You Weekly Quiz Listening Test Week 4 March 24th to the 27th
2014.
Part A Look at the picture below. You will hear 2 questions and 4 possible answers, A to D. Write down the letter for the best answer. A, B, C, or D.
1. What can we say about the young person in this picture? A. He likes to drink milk. B. He was just born yesterday. C. He is only an infant. D. He should run away.
Two. What can we see on the table? A. A neat pile. B. An awful mess. C. A great plan. D. An interesting puzzle. Part B. In Part B, you will hear 1 or more questions or statements. Choose the best response or reply.
3. When can I go to university?
Four. How many cookies does the box contain?
Five. Why has this fruit started to rot?
Six. What should we do with all this litter? Part C. In Part C, you will hear some short conversations between a man and a woman, and then a question following each conversation. Choose the best answer to that question. 7. What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to be a volunteer.
Question. What is the man probably going to do? Eight. Did you find the movie fascinating?
Yes, I like it.
Question. What does the man think about the movie? Nine. We're almost late. I don't think you have time to make a salad.
I will just increase my pace.
Question. What is the man going to do? Ten. Do you like to study art?
I like scientific subjects more.
Question. What might the man like to read about? Part D. In Part D, you will hear 1 passage or short talk and then some questions about it. Choose the best answers to those questions. Because of all the pollution that humans create, there is a giant patch of garbage in the Pacific Ocean. It has millions of tiny pieces of plastic floating in it. This is very ugly and harmful. In fact, many animals confuse this trash for food and then eat it. Since animals aren't able to deal with this mess, humans have to take responsibility. All countries use the ocean in some way, so all countries need to solve the problem. Fortunately, many groups in Taiwan and abroad are already doing their part. Some organizations go to beaches and pick up trash. Anyone who wants to help should consider becoming a volunteer. Seeing all the garbage on the coast will shock anyone.
11. What is one purpose of this passage?
According to the passage, how do pieces of plastic harm animals?
Which of the following is mentioned in the article?